CINAHL Complete is the premium database for nursing and allied health students. From this one database, you can search over 1,200 journals with full text access, and there are citations to over 5,000 journals dating back from 1937. To get started, all you have to do is type in some search keywords. So let's say you're doing research on Gene Watson's theory of care. You do not have to select something in the select a field box, but in this case I am going to select subject terms. You can also select all text, and what that does, that searches for author, for title, for the publication, the ISSN number. Again, I'm going to select subject terms since I'm searching for Gene Watson as a subject, and you can press search. I see here that I get 22 results. If I want to limit my results, you'll notice on the left hand side you can limit to full text, and what that does, that will limit it to articles that you can read in the database. Also peer reviewed, so if your instructor is asking for scholarly journal articles, you can click on this button and it narrows down the results. There's also a sliding bar here. So let's say you want to look at only the most recent articles. You can slide the bar, and now I'm looking at articles that have been published from 2001 to 2009. That was the latest article with this subject heading. You can also do an advanced search by using multiple search fields. And how this works is, if you're looking for something a little bit more complex than just a keyword, you can type in multiple search terms together. So let's say you're looking for articles on triage and burn victims. I'm going to type in triage. I'm just going to start typing in burn. And you notice here that it gives you some suggestions. If some of the suggestions look like something that you may be able to use, I would recommend using this rather than trying to create your own keywords. So I'm going to use burn patients in this case, and I'm going to limit it on to full text, and I can do this on the search screen. And now I'm going to search. Alright, now I get 14 articles that mention burn patients and triage. If I want to read the article, I can click on PDF full text, and it opens up the PDF, and I can print it. I can save it to my computer if I'd like. And if you click on the title itself, it pulls up the full record, and it shows you where it was published. This was from the British Journal of Healthcare Management. It shows you the volume and issue number. Sometimes it'll show you an abstract or a summary, and you notice on the right you can add to a folder. It only takes a couple of minutes to create a folder within this database and other EBSCO databases. And you know it's an EBSCO database because you'll see this logo in the top left hand corner. But if you create a folder, you can store articles, and every time you go back to the database, you'll be able to look at those articles. You can print your citation, email the citation, save it, and there's also a cite button here. If you click on this, it shows you how to cite your work in a number of styles, so you can copy and paste it in your works cited page. That's just a very brief overview of how to use the CINAHL database. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.